like Randy Savage. My jury is cold as an ant.
Took the roll out, put the pilot back on. Walk in the room and I cut the lights on. Why you spinning like that? Cause I ain't never had shit. That real nigga paper route, why I sell shit. Never loved a bitch, but I love money.
So we're doing my favorite thing, starting a video in a hotel room, and we're here in Nashville, and we are getting ready to head out to downtown, and yeah. So let's head on out and check out downtown. Alright, so we're here at the David Bowie bar. We're here for this woman right here. It's her dream. She's so accomplished to be here. And she's the biggest David Bowie fan in existence. David Bowie, if you see this, oh. We made it. Yes.
Band. I think we should keep going. I think we can let people.
So after exploring Nashville yesterday, we have found our way to do some car stuff, and we are here in the Nashville Cars and Coffee. You know, it's been kind of an upgrade here. Me and Joey have been here a few times, but definitely not at a super speedway. So this is a huge upgrade, and we'll check out all these cars. There's a lot more to see this time around, so let's see it.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, we spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told boo, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a nine. Eating fettuccine, me and Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep though? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my brick though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Just now, she a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys try this on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This for my hitters. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can't be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it, I'm passing. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm
You know what you're looking at here, son?
I have no idea.
That's what I figured. I'm gonna assume this is a B18 with a turbo on it.
That's what I was telling her. Like, I looked at that 69 Charger over there. The same mistake a lot of people do with the old Corvettes. They make the mistakes where they try and put all these boosters on. They make the brakes real tough. This one's actually got a hybrid boost. But if you just put the right wheelwood setup on it, with the right piston combination, you don't even need power brakes. You know, and because what they do is they manual brakes by themselves don't work. It's like they put all that in. It's like then their touches all get out and not slam it to this wheel.
Yeah, it's not easy to do like retrofitting on brakes.
No, you do a wheelwood setup with the right piston combination and you're fine.
I have no idea what's going on here. It's some kind of V8, that's all I know. Do you know what engine that is? Because I do not recognize that at all. It's a V8.
Oh, that looks like a 302 Ford.
It's just a regular 302?
Well, it's a Ford anyway, 302, 351. Like I said, the Mustangs.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see the Ford stamp now.
Squeezed her in there with a shoehorn, didn't it?
Yeah. Well, I was more interested by the intake at first, but now it all kind of makes sense.
Never heard that remix before.
Fake it till you make it, man.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Normally, I hate Scion XBs, but this is like an actual real build, and a lot of this here is like trash, so fuck you, I'm filming the Scion XB.
Yeah, there's at least no cardboard on this one.
I can't remember what those wheels are, but those are pretty popular, and I like those a lot, honestly. This man's Tomei is literally on the fucking ground. What the fuck? sometimes you just get a little ouchy, you know, and you just gotta fix it up. My man said, fuck the FA20, we're going with the K-swap. That's what's up, I respect it. I've been seeing this a lot more often, and it's becoming a really common thing now, and I respect the move, but man, I just don't feel right about taking the FA20 out of the car. Well, this is something you definitely don't see every day, is two Laguna Seca Blue E46s right next to each other. I know they're not like the rarest color and rarest car in the world, but like, I don't know, I don't think I've ever seen two of them right next to each other. All right, so changing gears completely here. Nashville Cars and Coffee was a little bit of a bust. It was cool, but I don't know what's happened these last couple of years. I guess it's kind of fizzled out. I like it being at the Raceway, but I just didn't see very many impressive builds. Probably just the time we went, I don't know. Either way, cool stuff. And today we are going over, and we are here at Falls Creek Falls. Kana has never been, and we're gonna show her around some of my favorite spots, classic spots. If you've seen it before, which not on my channel, but with you know, Joey or somebody else that we've already experienced this with, then I don't care. We are going to experience it again in a different fashion through Kana's eyes, kind of. I don't know. This place is packed today. I don't think I've ever seen it so busy.
Well, it's our fault for going the day before the 4th of July, so.
We'll do the best we can with checking stuff out. The Cascades should be cool, and yeah.
Should we download their app?
No. Nobody uses up my phone storage except for me.
And me.
Yeah, you.
Probably. I don't really know specifically how, but I'm sure I do. Dude, I'm not gonna lose my feet at all. Like, I can see right where the hell they are. Look at these things. They just stick out like a corn snake.
Yeah.
Bright yellow.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah. 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 So now we're coming up to my mom's favorite part. How will you feel about the suspension bridge?
Oh, absolutely fine.
Okay, cool. Oh. I'm getting phone calls out here in the middle of nowhere.
I'm amazed you have service.
Hello? So there I was doing flux core, but I have experience in MIG, flux core, stick, and TIG. Out here getting job interviews while I'm in the middle of nowhere.
I'm amazed the call even went through.
That's kind of where I'm at. I'm like, I don't even know how I have service.
Here, Wawa. Hoagie Fest.
I was about to say the Hoagie Fest.
There ain't nothing in there.
Come on. That's dangerous. Why are you doing that?
She's like, is it?
So we were wondering how we get over here. This is how we get over here.
Okay.
We did it without knowing.
Love that for us.
Me too.
Now we gotta know how to get in this.
So the Cascades were pretty awesome. We had a fun time checking those out. Really neat stuff over there. Pretty crowded. Yeah. But we're gonna go over here and check out the Fall Creek Fall.
The Fall Creek Fall.
Climb on down to the bottom and check it out.
Check it out!
We can already hear the wah-wah.
The Wawa.
The Hoagie Fest. Fall's pretty low today.
Yeah. It's so cool though.
Last
so you can
time,
go all the way down there?
yeah.
Are we gonna do that?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna get on down there. Hey Columbia, where do you get off making the women's shoes not as grippy as the men's shoes?
You should hear me sliding. Like, I don't know, man.
Yeah, she's sliding around and I'm doing just fine.
We picked like the
And
same exact shoes.
Yeah, they're both the Newton Ridge 2, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but
And it's like, what the heck, dude?
my tread looks way different than yours.
I don't understand,
Well, that was a
dude.
bad example. You just slipped, but you didn't. in general, you've been taking much like more planted steps than I.
Alright, so me and Isaac have been in this cave before, but we're gonna go and explore this little cave here. It's very small, it's not like anything special, but we're gonna check it out. It's really wet in here right now. How you doing?
Coming in?
I said, how you doing?
I'm fine. I took 2 steps so far.
Okay. Good. I'm gonna be soaked after this because of the walls.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm able to go further back than I was last time. Alright, this is the end of the line. I'm just trying to see how much further I can see in there. Not much further. Yeah, it's crazy. You can see all the way up there with the light.
You see it dripping?
Yeah, there's a lot of water dripping down. It's rained recently, so.
Yeah, you know what? We picked a great week to come visit because it's been so fucking rainy. And it keeps like, the forecast would change like the day of. At least twice. So, yeah.
Trying to squeeze our way out of here. Crazy.
Yeah.
These dogs are so brave. We have arrived.
Yeah.
Doggy in the water. Doggy in the water. Doggy. Good little spot for a water break up here on the rocks.
Yeah, this isn't exactly the path. Path's way down there.
Path is down there. This is part of the path. It's an optional route.
Okay. Have some.
POV, you drink water. That was the sound of me drinking water.
You gotta do it. There we go, now it's immersive.
You're the ghost in my nightmares. I see your face when I drink. You know I'd be down bad if he wasn't next to me. Long drives with the roof off, and those were the days. How you gonna break my heart and get away? So what if I can't be perfect for you? I'm drowning most nights, 'cause you're no longer mine. Drew hearts on my window, passenger seat. It feels so weird not having you here. Who you gonna love when I'm gone? What you gonna do with the distance? Who you gonna call when I'm lonely? Who you gonna love when I'm gone? What you gonna do with the distance? Who you gonna call when I'm lonely? Who you gonna love when I'm gone?
yesterday was the 4th of July and we got to spend the whole day on the boat and it was a pretty cool time. Got to swing on the rope swing. Haven't done that in quite a few years. Pretty cool stuff. Got to see the lake. Classic stuff. Here we are out at Providence Canyon State Park over in Georgia now. This is some place that I actually saw pictures of on Reddit, like just randomly one time, and it looked absolutely gorgeous, so I had to figure out where it was and what it is. And luckily enough, it wasn't too far out of our way to stop here. So we're gonna stop, check it out, and Ziggy's gonna get hot feet, I guess. All right, so here we are. We have arrived here at the park, and this is the canyons. Not a very great view at the moment, but we're gonna get over there. But we've been learning that this is kind of in a way, it's a man-made structure because it's caused by very poor farming techniques in the 1800s, and it just kind of eroded all of it at once, and it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, like all the runoff just kind of pooled to one place from all the different communities, so now we carved this into the earth. But in a way, it's pretty. So
it's pretty,
cool.
But it's kind of a disaster at the same time.
Yeah.
That's what some people were saying, is that it's really cool to come back here because it changes every year because it's always eroding.
That's cool.
Oh, come on. If you're gonna get a map, don't throw it on the ground.
I ain't leaving that. I ain't leaving
that is obnoxious.
Very.
Ziggy's the dog. It's me and you, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, buddy. We're going down the hard way.
He doesn't have his hiking paws on.
Yay, we did it, Ziggy.
Right.
Yay. All right, well, so we finally hit some mud. Oh, he's going right in. He's messing with the butterfly. The beautiful butterfly. This is what you gotta do if you want to keep your dog clean.
I feel bad even stepping on this because look at all the way.
I know.
But the water will just do
I mean, what were we gonna do, you know?
That is steep. Oh boy.
Ziggy's got it.
Mountain dog.
Yeah, I guess it was a bit of a null effort trying to pick him up and carry him earlier, because now we just have to walk straight through all this, so. Yep. Pretty lovely.
Oh well.
Oh well.
For his dirty feet.
The sound of us walking in the sand sounds like frogs.
Yeah, I've never hiked in mud.
I haven't either. I mean, this is new for me too. This is a really cool experience. I love Ziggy just drinking the water as we go. I mean, it looks clean.
Oh yeah, I fuck it. I don't think it's that farmy runoff water anymore.
No, we're not digging.
It's not what you see in Florida, you know?
Everybody behind me. Life is good. It seems as though we have arrived. Possibly, kinda. Wow. That is crazy. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, so I put a G up there.
Ginger. Who the hell got all the way up there and made a G?
It's a good question. It's pretty horrible.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't carve into canyons. Also, don't carve into the Roman Colosseum. So, we have found 2 maps as trash on this trail so far.
I should have been picking up more. There's been way more than this.
People just throwing trash on the ground. And what did we just find?
A diaper?
What the hell, man? Who does that kind of crap?
I can't believe a baby would do that.
Oh my god, what an irresponsible baby.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, Ziggy. You've done a good job. I know it's hot and you're tired, but you might have barked at those people. But other than that, you're doing a good job, buddy.
I'm hot, I'm tired. Are you proud of me?
I'm proud of everybody. We did it, even though
I'm garbage girl.
we didn't go very far because we have to get on the road. all in all, the Tennessee trip was pretty great. I had a great time seeing my family and spending some time up there and getting to see some great sights. Providence Canyon State Park in Georgia is actually really amazing, and I would highly suggest anybody to check that out and take the time and just see the whole thing. There's a big loop, and it seems like there's a lot of camping to do there, and honestly, I'm probably gonna go back and check it out myself again, because like I said, it seems to change, and I like the idea of seeing some different stuff every time I'm there. With that being said, I'm so sorry that this video took so long to get out, and I'm sorry that there's a little bit of a lack of content going on here. I had some personal issues going on, and we're working through them now, and we're back on track at the moment, and we should be coming back with new content and more car stuff, more concerts, and more traveling, and it should be awesome. And I hope everybody's excited, is just as excited as I am for it. With that being said, I hope everybody has a good summer. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'm out. Peace.
You show the lights, I'll stop it, turn to stone. You shine when I'm alone.